Honda have quietly ditched their naked CB1000R for 2024 in favor of a new CB1000 Hornet, powered by a detuned version of the 2017 Fireblade superbike, revealing a select number of details at this week's Eicma trade show in Milan. The R model's minimalist semi-retro look is gone and replaced with a design that mimics the popular CB750 Hornet parallel twin, which was revealed in late 2022. The old CB1000R was an upscale version in super naked format, with refined styling and power output that seemed modest compared to Banzai rivals. The 998cc inline 4-cylinder engine produces 143 bhp, 20 bhp less than the BMW S1000R and more than 30 bhp less than KTM's 1290 Super Duke R. Honda has not revealed exactly what power the new Hornet will have, mysteriously stating that it will be more than 147.5 bhp. Considering this new engine comes from the 2017 Fireblade, it produces a peak power of 189 bhp, so that leaves plenty of headroom. What is clear is that Honda will not interfere with the 205 bhp Ducati Street Fighter V4S or Kawasaki's 197 bhp supercharged ZH2. The old CB1000R engine comes from a 2004 blade, producing 172 bhp. Honda has been equally mysterious with the Hornet's torque figures, saying it will be over 73.8 lb-ft. For comparison, the BMW S1000R produces 84 lb-ft, so perhaps Honda is targeting the Suzuki GSX S1000 with 152 bhp and 78 lb-ft. The old frame obviously couldn't accommodate a modern, more compact engine, so Honda built a new one. Instead of using a steel backbone design like on older motorcycles, the Hornet gets a double post frame, similar to the 750 Hornet. The electronics are unchanged, with 3 preset riding modes, basic traction control, and a 5 inches TFT dashboard with Bluetooth connectivity. This, and the unchanged suspension, bodes well for its value. Honda hasn't revealed the price, but if it follows the CB750 pattern, it will be very competitive.